Yes, yes. All right. So thank you so much, Durga ma'am and Thiagan sir and Dorai sir. Okay. I welcome everyone to today's coding activity session that we have organized in association with your school, Mount Literacy Senior Secondary. And today I have with me Rifat Rana ma'am. She is one of the best teachers that we have, and today we are going to have a lot of fun in the class. So children, kindly stay muted but tell me in the chat box what do you think that today we are going to do in the session. What do you think we are going to do in today's session? Is it a regular your maths class or your science class, your English class? What is it that we are going to do? Can anybody quickly write in the chat box and let me know? Yes, coding. All right. Learn coding. Okay. Yes, students actually will all stay muted so that there is no disturbance or no background noise coming from anywhere. Okay, learn something great coding. So a lot of you know that we are going to do coding. That's great. Okay, so before we begin with today's session, shall we play a small activity? Show me a thumbs up if you're interested to play a small activity. Can I see some thumbs ups if you want to play a small activity? All right, I can see a few thumbs ups. Okay. Yes. So, children, we will stay muted. Otherwise, I have to mute all of you, which I don't want. So let's follow the discipline and let's stay muted. Okay. Thank you so much.
You carry on the session, ma'am. I will mute the student, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, thank you, Tyagarajan. So, thank you. So, students, I know that all of us, a lot of you use a lot of mobile phones, a lot of technology. So, I have shared a few of the popular social media apps. Now, what you have to do is you have to write it in the chat box quickly, all right? And you have to tell us that what are these apps quickly. Write it in the chat box. No unmuting because it will create a lot of noise. Write it in the chat box. Yes, I can see Ganishka saying Facebook. Okay, Facebook, WhatsApp. All right. Facebook is a popular app, it seems. Everyone knows about Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat. Okay. All right. So you all use Snapchat as well. Interesting. Okay. All right. WhatsApp, Twitter, Snapchat. Okay. Can anybody of you tell me what this IN is? Okay, LinkedIn. Before asking, only you guys have given me the answer. Very intelligent kids. Rifat ma'am, are you looking at their intelligence? They already know so much about apps that they are going to give you a very hard time today, because given that the activity today is related to this app, they are going to give you a very hard time. Okay, so I can see a lot of you answering. That's great. You have a great knowledge already. Okay, now we'll start with today's session. Okay, so today we are here to do a fun coding activity. All right, I hope everyone is able to view my screen. Give me a thumbs up if you are able to view my screen. Okay, good. So, do you see this orange color creature? Thank you. Do you see this orange color creature on screen? Do you think it is a human like you or me, or is it a cartoon? What do you think it is? Quickly write in the chat box. Robot. Right. Yes. No, it's not a cartoon. It's a robot. And yes. Yes. Thank you, children, for all your quick answers. Yes. Okay. Yes, I got all of your answers. Thank you so much. It's a robot, and as all of us have nicknames at home, robot also has a nickname which is
robot.
I can see the excitement. All right. So, robot has a nickname, and we at White Hat Junior call robot as Ro. Okay. So, Ro has. Yes. Now, all of us will listen to what I'm speaking. Yes. Great. So, Ro is here to take. Yes, thank you, sir. So, what I was saying is, Ru has always seen adults, college going kids doing coding and entering into his world. But today, Robot is here to take all the students of Mount Litra into his world of coding. So, are you excited to go with Robot into his world of coding and see what all you can do with coding? Are you interested to go into his world? Can you show me thumbs up? Yes? Okay, all right. So, can anybody of you tell me what you understand about coding? The answers do not have to be wrong or right. There is no wrong or right answer. We just want to know what is your understanding of coding. What do you understand of coding? You can write it in the chat box, children, and we will see it from the chat box.
Does your school teach?
Yes. You can write it in the chat box. What is coding? What do you think it is coding all about? Coding is making app. Mahita said, all right. Okay, others? Set of instructions. Okay, create an app. Coding is making an app. Create a game. All right. Yes, so all of your questions, all of your answers are correct, but if we have to understand what is coding, and if anybody else asks you what is coding or what do you learn from today's session, coding is a language, correct. Coding is a language that we use to connect with the computer, that we use to communicate with the computer. All of your mothers, fathers, everyone, elders at your home give you instructions, right? Your teachers also give you instructions that don't be late for class, be disciplined in class, eat your meal on time. All these are instructions, right? And everybody uses a language to communicate with you, to give you instructions, correct? So when we want to give an instruction to a computer, we can't interact with computer in Tamil, Telugu, English, right? We need a language to communicate with computer, and the same language is known as coding. Through coding, we give them instructions to perform a certain activity, all right? And what is a computer? What is a computer? A computer is a human, a computer is a machine. What is a computer? Can anybody write in the chat box what is a computer? Yes, computer is a machine. As your phones are called smartphones, similarly computer is called a smart machine, because when you give it instructions, it can do instructions for you. It can do activities for you. So yes, it's a man-made machine. All right, electronic device. All right, great answers. So we will see a short video right now, and then we will move on to the activity. Okay, all of you who are logged in from your laptop or computer can perform the activity side by side with Rifat ma'am. And don't worry if you are not logged in from your laptop or computer. If you are logged in from your phone, don't worry, we will share the recording one, so you can go ahead, see the recording, and then do the activity. All right, as of now, please focus on the class, please focus on what Rifat ma'am has to say, and then you can perform the activity on your own. All right, okay, now we'll see the video.
Does your school teach the language of the future? Does your teaching style help students develop critical, analytical, and coding skills? In the new economy, the workforce will not just communicate in English, Spanish, or Hindi, it will communicate in code. And computer science will no longer remain an optional skill, it will become a basic skill. Wouldn't it be great if you could teach your students coding in a format that is structured and highly engaging? White Hat Junior has taught more than 1 million children with the world's first structured coding curriculum. Our kids have built more than 100,000 Play Store ready apps. Teaching young learners coding with White Hat Junior will enhance their creativity, logical thinking, and problem solving abilities. Your students can become certified developers too. Join hands with White Hat Junior and give your school the edge in coding.
Alright children, did you enjoy the video? Can you write it in the chat box? Okay, Rufat ma'am, you can take over. We are very excited to start with the activity, and
Yes,
then we
ma'am.
will take over the presentation once again you have ended the activity. Yes.
Sure. So hi kids, how are you all? Hello, is everyone muted?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are all fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
So, okay.
Fine, ma'am. Fine.
I'm fine, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I am
Okay,
fine,
so
ma'am.
now, okay, what we are going
Fine,
to
ma'am.
make is something very, very,
Fine,
very
ma'am.
interesting.
Right, children,
Okay.
listen to ma'am.
Rufat ma'am, you have been muted. One second.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
that's fine.
So, yes, so I'm going to show you something, okay, and you have to tell me where have you seen it and what am I doing on the screen. Okay, so is my screen visible to all? Is my screen visible? Kindly respond on the chat, okay. If yes, okay, you just have
Yes,
to
ma'am,
tell
it's
me
visible.
what is happening on the screen over here. Okay, what is happening on the screen?
Sorry,
Something's
ma'am.
happening on the screen, right?
No, ma'am. We did not see your screen, ma'am.
No, here
Okay,
actually
okay.
ma'am is showing a mobile phone. Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you. Now I think share screen option.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
something is happening
children
on
are
my
saying that
screen,
color
right?
is changing. Ma'am,
Yes,
children are already saying in the chat that the color is changing.
yes, so I
All
am clicking
right.
on something and the color of the screen is getting changed, right? So
Yeah.
first question answered correctly. Okay, now comes the second question. Where have you seen it? Okay, where do you think you've seen that kind of a feature where you click on the button and the color of the screen gets changed? So I think,
Let's give them a poll, ma'am.
poll, yes. So where have you
Yes.
seen
So
it?
children, yes, you can kindly vote in that where have you seen this feature of color changing. WhatsApp, we have all. Okay, you can write it. You can tap on the screen, children. Do not need to write on the chat. WhatsApp, Instagram, okay. So
Or
Facebook is something that the children don't use. It has become outdated like
right?
Orkut. Yeah. WhatsApp, okay. WhatsApp and Instagram. Facebook, we have got one vote. All right. WhatsApp, I can see a lot of students in WhatsApp saying in the
So
chat.
I think these days
All right.
students use WhatsApp a lot. Okay, so WhatsApp is leading. Okay, great. Okay, can we end the poll here?
Yeah, I
Just,
think we will end the-
yes.
Yes.
So majority of y'all have answered it as WhatsApp, but the answer is, I mean, all the three. The same feature is there in WhatsApp, in Instagram, and in Facebook. So there was nothing like right or wrong. Okay, so every answer was correct over here. Okay, now coming to, making the same feature, how about let's make the same feature again on your laptops now. Okay, so I am going to share one link with you all. Okay, kindly click on the link. Okay, so ma'am, can we have the link please?
1 second, I'll give them the link. Children, 1 second, I'll just copy paste the link. All you have to do is you have to click on the link, tap on sign in, and then we will guide you.
Yes, so you just have to click on the link which ma'am has provided on the chat box. Okay, just click on this link over here and email ID and password has been provided. So your screen will be looking like. Okay, so I am going to share my screen now and this is what your screen will look like. Okay, so is my screen visible?
Yes. Children, remember that you copy paste everything very clearly because the password is case sensitive, and also copy the email ID correctly. Those who are, I'm again saying, Durga ma'am or Tyagarajan sir, if anyone is there, if you can convey it to them in the local language as well, that if they are logged in from their mobile phone, they need not do it, okay, because they won't be able to do it, the activity on mobile. So they can watch the session, and those who are logged in from their laptop or computer should only do it side by side. If you can convey this to the students. Yeah.
Dear children, those who are in the those who are using the laptop, you can click the link which has been sent on the chat box. Chat box la ma'am link அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காங்க பாருங்க, அங்க கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. யூசர் நேம் இமெயில் ஐடி கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, காப்பி பண்ணி அதை அப்படியே பேஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. பாஸ்வேர்ட் ஆல்சோ copy it and paste it there. Okay, those who are using laptop can access this. Mobile use பண்றவங்களால அதை யூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. So you just watch the session. Listen carefully. Okay, link chat box ல இருக்கு, நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டு இமெயில் ஐடி பாஸ்வேர்ட் மேம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, சேம் அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணி அதுல போட்டுருங்க. சைன் இன் கிளிக் பண்ணீங்கன்னா மேம் வியூ பண்ற அந்த பேஜ் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது வந்துரும். Try to do that. Once you finished, give thumbs up. Ma'am is waiting for you.
Yes.
So those who are using mobile phone, no need to worry. As for now, you listen. Ma'am என்ன செய்றாங்க, என்ன நடத்துறாங்கன்னு கேர்ஃபுல்லா லிசன் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. மொபைல் போன்ல இதுல டைரக்டா நம்ம ஆக்சஸ் பண்ண முடியாது, சரியா? சோ மொபைல் போன் வச்சிருக்கவங்க வரி பண்ண வேணாம், just listen the class.
Okay, so have you all finished that? Can we continue? Okay, so once you have clicked on, copy pasted the email ID and the password, all you have to do is just click on the sign in button. The orange big button, you find it, right? Just click on the sign in button there. Okay, so once you click on this, you will be redirected to this kind of a page again. Okay, you will be redirected to this page where it will show you two options, create, okay, and your name. So two things will be visible over here on the top right side. One is create and the second one is your name. Okay, now what you have to do is, okay, you have to click on this create button. Okay, it is a drop down menu where you will have the options Sprite Lab, Artist, App Lab. So since we are creating an app today, we will be going to App Lab. Okay, so you have to click on create and then click on App Lab. Okay, once when you click on App Lab, you will be redirected again to this kind of a page. Yes, so is this visible?
Yes ma'am, visible.
Have you all reached till here?
Children, whether you have reached the page?
Can we continue?
Give a thumbs up to ma'am, whether you have
yes, have you all reached? Okay, for whom it is not coming, you have to try copy pasting the email ID and the password correctly, then click on sign in. Okay, yes. So now, okay, since we are making an app, okay, so actually to make anything, if you have to make anything, there is a few procedure, there is a few process, right? Few steps that you need to follow to make anything. Now, since we are making one app, okay, there is one small procedure that you have to follow. Okay, and this procedure has 4 steps, simple 4 steps that you need to follow. Okay, so the first step is, okay, define. What is the first step? First step is define. So define here means, okay, you have to understand what is the purpose of your app. What is your app going to do? How is your app going to help others? How are you going to make it? So answering all of these, okay, is called as define. So what does define mean? Define means you have to know the purpose of your app. Okay, and what was the purpose of our app today? Okay, the picture is quite clear in my mind. Okay, I want one screen and one button should be there. When I click on that button, the background color of the screen should change, right? That is what I want today. Okay, so the first step is done now. Now we will head to the second step, which is called as design. So what do you think design means? What do you think design means?
Share the screen, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so can we continue now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
now it's visible.
Okay, so now basically design means, okay, design means now once when you have thought, okay, I want to make one app, okay, so there will be some components there, some tools should be there, right, to make your app more attractive, interactive. So we will be heading towards design now. The second step, which is design. Okay, is my cursor visible? It's on the middle of the screen, right? Okay, now I am heading towards the steps. There are 3 buttons visible: code, design, and data. On the top left corner, left side top, there are 3 buttons: code, design, and data. Now, since our second step is design, I will click on design. Okay, as soon as I click on design, my design button has changed to orange color, which means I am on my design mode now. And this entire screen over here is divided into 3 parts. Okay, these are the 3 parts. So I will just mark it as 1, 2, and 3. So this is the screen over here. And here, what I have marked as 1, okay, don't you think the picture of it looks like one mobile? Right? So it is called as a mobile simulator. Okay, it is called as a mobile simulator. Mobile simulator means whatever you're going to design or whatever you're going to make, it is going to make all over here. Okay, it's kind of a dummy app here. Okay, you are going to practice everything, add all the tools over here. Now the second part over here, it is called as the design toolbox. Now this toolbox, okay, in simple, it is just a box containing many tools, just like your pencil box. So what do you keep in your pencil box? All the stationery items, right? Pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener. So similarly, I have one set of toolbox called as design toolbox. In this box, I will be having all the tools which I require for me to design my app. They are button, text input, label, drop down. So many things. I will be using them only when I need them. Okay. And the third part over here, it is called as the properties mode. Here in properties, okay, it will show me all the properties of whatever I have added on my mobile simulator. Okay, so here, yes, so here in the screen, you can see only, I mean, in the mobile simulator, you can see only one screen, right? So here it shows me ID, screen 1, and the color. So it is showing me white color because this color is white. Okay, now this ID plays a very important role in coding. Okay, ID is nothing but the identity. Now why is this ID used? Okay, now if in coding, if I have to mention to the computer, I have to use that screen. Okay, do you remember? So the computer does not really remember, so we are making it smart by using all of these code words. Okay, now this ID is nothing but the identity. So if I have to mention about the computer, to the computer, about this screen, so I will just tell computer, there is one screen called screen 1, you have to use that screen. Okay, so we have to be very specific while talking to the computer. Okay, now you remember while I was showing you my phone, okay, I was tapping on one button, then the color of the screen was getting changed, right? So similarly here also we will be needing one button. So I am going towards the button. So when I'm going towards the button, you see my palm is open like this, right? Now when I click on it, the palm closes. Now I am going to drag it and place it on my screen over here. So I repeat it again. When I'm going near the button, the palm is open. When I click on it, the palm is closed. Okay, the fist is closed. So basically meaning that I have held the button carefully. Okay, now, so if I click on the screen over here, it shows me only 2 things, background color and the ID. But when I click on the button, it shows me many properties. ID is button 1. So whenever in the computer coding, I have to mention about this button 1, I have to tell computer, remember there is one button called button 1. Okay, next is the button name. So here the text is shown as button. So here whatever I type, okay, will be visible on my button. It is basically the button name. So what do you think we can name our button as? Any suggestions? Yes? What do you think we can name our button as?
Ma'am, should we give them options?
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, children, so we are again giving you some options. You have to choose your favorite button name because that is going to be there for the rest of the activity. So vote
Yes.
for your favorite button name quickly.
So they are click here, change color, and tap me. So what
I
do you
think
like?
change color is okay. Tap me, change color. These 2 are leading. Okay, make your favorite button win.
So
5
ma'am,
more.
looking at the speed.
Yes, they are very excited for the activity.
So what do you want? Change color, click here, or tap me? Which
Change
option
color is,
do
I
you
think,
like?
the majority with 22
Majority,
votes
yes.
so far. Okay, 5 more seconds, children, and then we'll close the poll. Tap me. Children, you can vote in the poll only. Don't write it in the chat box so that your votes are counted.
Okay,
Okay.
so I think we can go with change color then. Okay.
Yes,
So
change
now
color.
I am going to write over here, change color. Okay, now change color, the name of my button is clear. Now I want to make this button look big and bold, okay, big. So let us change the width, okay. I can increase it like this, or I can simply, you know, type the number over here, 150. Now let us change the height as well. Okay, let us make our button big. So let this also be 150. Okay, now you can change the X position. X position means the sleeping line. Okay, you can change the button from left to right or up and down. That is the Y position, basically the standing line. Okay, let us keep our button in the middle. Okay, next you can change the text color, background color, your font family, the font size as well. Okay, so it all depends on you on how you want to design your app. And also, okay, to make it more interesting, we have something called as themes. Okay, so where are themes? Themes are over here. Okay, so themes are over here. What are themes? Themes are default background templates, just like in your PCs or your computers, you have, right, default wallpapers, backgrounds. So the same thing we have over here. They are called as themes. And what are these themes? Okay, if I just click on default, okay, which is the present theme, you get a drop down menu. There are many options. Now, if I choose watermelon, so my theme goes to watermelon. So whatever is the inside picture over here, it correlates here. Okay. So many options. You can choose anything that you like. So I think I can go with crushed velvet. Looks bright, right? Or maybe pastel. So you can choose any option that you like. Okay. So now our app is looking kind of attractive, right? Okay. Now our design step is done. Now we will go to the third step. Okay. And it is called as code. Okay, we are going to the third step. It is called as code. So how many steps did we finish so far? We finished 2. First one was define. Define means you have to know the purpose of your app. Okay, I mean what your app is going to do. The second one is called as design. Design means you should add the components in your app. The third one is called as code. So what do you think coding means? Okay, so coding in very simple language, coding means to talk to computer. Okay, you are just going to talk to computer. That is what coding means. But to talk to computer, you need one language, right? So coding means talking to computer. Now, the language which I just mentioned, okay, the does not really understand English, Hindi, Tamil, nothing. The computer understands only coding languages. There are many, and out of which we are learning only one today, called as JavaScript. So which language are we learning today? JavaScript. Okay, now since we are heading towards code mode, okay, I am going to click on this code button now. Okay, when I click on this code button, the color of the button has changed to orange, which means I am on my code mode. Now something has changed really, right? Earlier when I was in my design mode, I had the properties tab and the toolbox. Now in my code mode, the screen has changed a little bit, right? So what has changed is I no longer have the properties, I have workspace. So what is this workspace? Okay, workspace is just an empty area. Okay, how you write down notes in your notebook, right? So similarly, we have workspace over here. We fill this empty area with all the codes and commands. Okay, and here in the toolbox, okay, here also I have the toolbox, but in the toolbox over here, I have all the codes and commands. So all these are commands that are required to talk to the computer. Now, when I said that we are learning JavaScript, okay, so what we have to do is, okay, I have to tell the computer whatever I want the app to do. Okay, I have to translate the purpose of the app basically to JavaScript. So what is the purpose of our app? So the purpose of the app is when I click on this change color button, okay, when I click on this change color button, the computer has to change this blue color, okay, to any other color or any of your favorite colors. Okay, so what is the purpose of the app? When I click on this change color button, I have to change the computer has to change the background color to any other color. Now I have to translate each and every word of English into JavaScript. So the first word to be translated becomes as when, because when I click on that button, then only it will change, right? So when, so the first word is when, and when in JavaScript gets translated to on event. And here, okay, all these are blocks, right? Why are all these blocks? Actually, okay, there are two types of coding, text based and block based. Text based is where you type the commands. So since you all are students, small kids, okay, to make it more easier, we are using block based coding. Okay, so all these are blocks. You will be dragging the block and placing it on the workspace. Okay, so this is block based coding under JavaScript. Now the first word to be translated is when. So when in English gets translated to on event, the first option, the first code over here is on event. So I will drag this on event and place it on my workspace here. Now, so much I have on the screen, on event, ID, click. Okay, so now this word on event, can I read it as when? I can, right? Because both on event and when are the same. The meaning is same, but in two different languages. So when in English, on event in JavaScript. Now on event and ID. When I click on this triangle here, okay, the black color triangle, I get two options, button and screen one. So you remember while in design, okay, I was telling ID plays a very important role. Okay, so you have to be very specific. We are making the computer smart. Okay, so when what click the color will change. When I have to click on the button or on the screen. What should I click at? Is it the button or the screen to change the screen color? What is it?
Children, write it in the chat box. What do you think will
What do you
change the
think? When
color?
I click on the
or
button,
screen?
it will change, or when I click on the screen?
Let's see what you have understood. Okay, button. Okay, these are very intelligent kids, ma'am.
Okay, so I will go with button now. So when I click on this button, okay, so when button click is done. Now this word function, okay, function means to do something. As soon as this computer sees the word function, it will automatically understand that there is one task. Okay, she's giving me some task and I have to complete the task. So what is the task for the computer? The task for the computer is to change the color, right? When I click on that button, the computer's task is only to change the color. Now the word change comes. So the word change in English, okay, gets translated to set property. And where do you get set property? Scroll down in your toolbox and yes, it is over here. So I will drag this set property and place it on my screen here inside. So now on event means when, button, click, function means do something. Do what? Change the what? Change whose color? Is it the button's color or the screen color? Whose color are we supposed to change? Button color or the screen color?
Children, reply in the chat box.
Whose color are we supposed to change?
Sabrina is saying button. No, dear, it's not the button because.
So whose color are we supposed to change? Because when I click on this button, okay, the background color has to change, and the background is the screen. So we change the screen's background color. Here again, it is showing me options: width, background color, image, or icon color. So we want to change the background color. To which color do you want? Here comes a very difficult question. Which color?
Let's give them a poll.
Yes.
Children, don't confuse. When we click on the button, the screen color changes. So we want to change the color of the screen. Okay, because when ma'am was showing you on WhatsApp, remember she was clicking on a button, right? And what was changing? The screen color was changing. So our aim is to change the screen color while we tap on the button. Now we will launch a poll and let's see what color do you choose. What color do you want in your screen?
Yes. So which color? Red, yellow, green, or purple? Color, which color you choose?
Red. Do you know red is Rifat ma'am's favorite color? Purple, red, okay. Quickly vote in the favorite color. We will put it in the screen. Okay.
So I think red is going to win, my favorite color.
Okay, cool. Let's go with red then because red has won. Okay.
Now, Okay, so I have changed it to red. Now the last step is, okay, before that let's do a quick small revision. So basically what we wanted to do was, when I click on this change color button, I wanted to change the screen's background color. Okay, screen's background color into your favorite color. So for that we use the language JavaScript. Okay, and in JavaScript we did block based coding. Why blocks? Because we dragged the block and placed it on the workspace. Okay, now on event means when, button, click. Okay, function means do something, do what? Change the screen's background color to red. Now we have come to the last step and the easiest step of all, that is run. So what is run? Run means you have to check whether the code that you have written, is it working correctly or not. So where do you find run? So run is here on your mobile simulator. All you have to do is you just have to click on run. Okay, now when I have clicked on run, okay, something has changed. Okay, but my screen color is not changed to red. Why? Can you tell me? Why didn't the color change to red when I clicked on run? See, I clicked on run. Okay, the color did not change to red. It's still blue. Why? Why? Can you tell me why did it change? Okay, it is because, okay, I did not click on this button only, because I told the computer, right, when I click on that button, then change the color. But have I clicked on the button yet? No, I just clicked on run. So now we are going to click on change color. So 1, 2, 3, go. So yes, the color did change to red, right? So easy, tough, or you want more, or should I stop? What do I do? Shall I stop, or you all want more?
Can you write it in a chat box? Retell. Okay, ma'am will revise at the end. Don't worry. Okay, others, do you want to continue or do you want to stop? More. Okay. Ma'am, I was thinking we choose only one color. Can we have something where the screen color keeps on changing by clicking only once?
Yes, we can, because just like I showed on my screen as well, I was clicking on this button, right? I was clicking on this button again and again, and many colors were there.
Correct.
So, but here when I'm clicking on the button, I get only one color, that is red. I don't want red now, but I want different colors. So what to do? So all we have to do is, okay, scroll down in your toolbox. Okay, scroll down in your toolbox, and you have something called as RGB. Okay, drag this RGB and place it on red, because I no longer want red, but I want different colors. Now, okay, so what do you think this RGB stands for? Okay, RGB are your color names. R stands for red, G for green, B for blue. Okay, now in a computer, every color has 255 shades. Okay, so we have taken RGB because RGB are the primary colors. Now you can mix shades of RGB and you can achieve any color you almost want. So now here this 250 stands for 250th shade of red, 0 stands for 0th shade of green, 75 stands for 75th shade of blue. So every color, this RGB has 255, 255 and 255 shades. So now, okay, so the computer has chosen one particular color. Let us check it out, which color it is. I click on reset. Okay, why clicking on reset? Because anytime you change the code, you have to tell the computer, I have changed my code, take the new code. So reset, run. Okay, now again I will click on the button. Okay, so it is kind of a pinkish peachish color, right? But still I'm clicking on the button again and again. It's not getting changed at all, right? So what is missing over here is, okay, there is one function which is missing. I will go to math, okay, and take one option. Okay, take one block called the random number. I will take the random number and place it on 250. You can actually place on any number, either 250 or 0 or 75. So what this random number will do is, it has two numbers, 1, 10. So I want many options. So I will give here maybe 200. Okay, now what this random number will do is, each time I click on this button, the computer will automatically choose one random number from red. Okay, so it will choose one shade from red, mix it with the 0th shade of green and 75th shade of blue, and give me new colors every time I click on the button. Okay, let us check that. Reset, run, change color. See, the shades are changing, isn't it? It is because every time I'm clicking on the button, the computer is generating one random number each time, out of 1 to 200. Now, if you want to change the shades, you can obviously change. Okay. Now, suppose I want a green shade to be 150 and blue to be 50. Okay. So every shade has one color here. So reset, run, and so again it is changed, right? So now this 0.5, okay, 0.5 represents transparency. Transparency means how dark or how light you want the shade to be. If I want the darkest shade over here, I will simply write 1. So 1 means dark shade. If you reduce from 1 to 0.9, 0.8, 0.5, the shade darkness will reduce. Okay, so I will click on reset, run, and now I'm going to get the dark shades. So just a second. Yes. Okay. 0.5. I changed it to 1. Okay. Reset. Run. Yes. So the colors are changing, right? Each time I click on the button, the color is changing. Now you can change any number here and you can alter the colors anyhow you want. So have you all understood?
Children, did you all understood the activity?
Type in the chat box.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Again, the colors are changing.
Yes, I had seen 2 people saying that revise. Okay, ma'am will revise.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
So about revision, okay, what were the 4 steps? Okay, so 4 steps were define, design, code, run. Okay, so the 4 steps were, I repeat, define, design, code, and run. What did define means? Define means you should know the purpose of your app, why you're making the app, what do you want from the app. The second step is design. Design means you are adding elements or components to your app to make your app look more attractive and interactive. Okay, and the third step is called as code. Code means you're talking to the computer with some language. So today we use the language JavaScript. Okay, and we did block-based coding. Okay, why block-based coding? Because we were just dragging the blocks and placing over here. So all these are blocks. Now here, okay, the first thing, I have to translate the purpose of the app word by word from English to JavaScript. So it becomes, when I click on this change color button, okay, when this change color button is clicked, the computer has to change the screen's background color to any color. Now for that, we first took the word when. When means on event. When in English gets translated to on event. So on event means when what clicked? Is it the button we are clicking or the screen to change the screen color? We are clicking the button. So when the button is clicked, okay, function means do something. Do what? Okay, do something means as soon as the computer will see the word function, it will automatically understand that there is one task to be done. And what is the task for the computer when I click on this button? It is to change the color. So this word change in JavaScript becomes set property. Where do you find set property? Here in the toolbox itself. Scroll down and you will find it. So set property, change whose color? Screen's background color to any color that you want. And what did we do to get many colors? We just brought one RGB, okay, RGB block from the toolbox. See here, as you're seeing here in the screen itself, RGB. Again, in the bracket, it says RGBA. A is nothing but the attribute. Attribute means transparency, how dark or how light you want the color. And RGB are nothing but the shades that you want of the particular color. So in red, again, I place this random color. Now I can place this random color on green also. Or you can place it on any number, any color. Now here, if I give 100, now I will be getting more of a green shade. So yes, it is mixing up all. Now, this is what it is. Now, anyone having any doubts?
Yes, children, any particular doubts that you have, you can ask ma'am.
Screen or background. Is anything is there in function like screen or background? Like, I didn't get your point. So anyone having any doubts, or did you do it? Okay, how many of you all did it along with me?
Whether anyone did it?
Did anyone do the activity side by side with ma'am? Did anyone try to do the activity? Can you raise your hands? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, Lidya, were you able to complete the activity then?
Nitya Mundan, have you completed? Those who completed can raise your hands.
Yes, let's raise hands and let's see how many of you could do it. Jovan,
I
you
don't know,
please.
RGB is not working.
Yeah. Jovan, can you unmute? 1 second, I'll try to unmute.
Students are unmute yourself, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ma'am. Yes, sir. Sir, go to the link. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Dear students, please use the raise hand option. Then only the ma'am unmute you.
Yes, Jovan, can you share your screen so that I can check?
Ma'am, RGB is not changing, ma'am.
Okay, share your screen. Okay, so here the mistake is, okay, inside function, this function is blank. There is no change color inside. And you have not selected the ID. So the computer is not able to understand whose screen color you have to change, whose color. Okay, so click on this triangle and change it to screen. Okay, and remove this change color. This change color is not there. Yes, now reset, run and check. Yes, now it's changing, right? Okay. Okay, anyone else having a doubt? Okay, I will share my screen again, okay? If you all want, who all are doing now, you all can click a picture of it right now, okay? And check it, keep it as it is, okay? Wait, let me just decrease the size of it. Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the project link with them, if possible?
Yes, ma'am, I will do that now.
Yes, ma'am will share the project link. Children, please copy paste the project link so that you can refer to the code later on as well. Okay, so someone has asked, Dhananjan has asked, ma'am, for choosing the color, we have to insert number or we have to write the color name?
So you can write one color name, okay, if you want one color, but if you want many colors, then you will have to take random color.
Nirupa ma'am had just revised everything. Don't worry, we will share the recording with you so that you can go through the recording. Ma'am will share the project link so that you can copy paste and refer to the ma'am has already done that, I guess.
Yes, doing it again.
Yeah. Children, I hope all of you could understand today's activity. Can we cheer for ma'am if we understood today's activity? Yes? Can we? Yes.
Yeah, children, whether you understand, how you all feel, switch on your cameras, give a thumbs up for ma'am.
Yes, can we please cheer for ma'am because she taught us such a beautiful activity. All right. Don't worry for all of you who could not do it. Don't worry. We'll share the recording. No worries.
The link will be shared to you through WhatsApp. No need to worry, children.
Yes, yes. Don't worry.
In chat box, I have sharing the link. I'm sharing the link. Please click on that feedback link and fill it. Everyone. Everyone should fill the form so that you will be getting an access of Mayan Digital Library for 1 month free. Right? I think it's visible for you in the chat box. You can click on the link. Send your feedback about the class, right? Don't forget, no need to worry. Ma'am has sent the link. You can go through the project.
Yes, don't worry. We will share the link with you. We'll share the recording. I hope you have no more doubts. If you have doubts, you can ask about the doubts. Don't worry about the class recording. That will any which ways be shared with you.
Anybody having any doubt, Ma? You want to ask?
Yes, you can raise hands so that we can unmute. Because if we unmute everyone, there will be a lot of chaos. That is why we have to keep everyone on mute. We are really sorry for that.
Ma'am, Litya Mohandan is having doubt. Could you please unmute him?
Yes, could you just raise your hand so that I can unmute?
Yes, ma'am. Just raise the hand. Litya Mohandan.
Okay, I got it. Yes, Litya, you can now unmute yourself. I have asked it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can do the project after the class.
Yes.
Yes, dear, absolutely. You can do the project after the class. No worries. Don't worry, anybody.
Okay, Mahit is having a doubt, ma'am. He has raised the hand.
Yes, I'll just unmute him as well. Yes, Mahit. Now you can, now you can ask your doubt, Mahit.
Read the last question is what, ma'am? WhatsApp no.
Which is that last question?
Ma'am,
Feedback from his husband.
feedback.
Last question, WhatsApp number. What is your WhatsApp number?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Other children also try to fill up the feedback form as soon as possible. I have posted the link. Chat box la link irukuma. Click panningina Google form will be opened, right? Fill up the form and submit. Is there any other doubts? Anu Shivan, ma'am, could you please unmute Anu Shivan? He's having a doubt.
Yes. Yes, Anush, you can now unmute. Yeah.
Ma'am, ma'am, the class is finished and we can enter, ma'am.
Once again, repeat, Anu Shivan, what you're asking?
Ma'am, the class is finished and we can enter the Mayan Digital Library.
No. First you have to fill the form. Later on you will be informed, right, about digital library.
And class முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் பண்ணலாமான்னு கேக்குறேன் மேம்.
அதுதான் ஓகே மேம். லிங்க் எடுத்துட்டீங்களாமா?
மேம்.
லிங்க் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க.
Anushwan, just copy the link and send any WhatsApp number. After that, you can fill the form.
Okay.
Yes, anyone has any more doubts?
No, ma'am.
Thank you so much, children. I hope nobody has any doubts. You have filled the feedback form that your teachers have forwarded in the chat box. All right. Thank you so much, Rifat ma'am. We enjoyed the activity thoroughly, and thank you to all the esteemed faculty and all the lovely students of Mount Literacy for joining us today. We had a great time. I hope all of you had a great time as well. Please show us a thumbs up if you had. Yes, thank you so much. I hope you go and you practice the activity and you show your friends as well what you have learned today. All right? Are you interested in learning more and more coding? Can I see in the chat box? Okay.
Children, type in the text box.
Yes. So children, is my screen visible? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can you see 3 young students like you? Yes. So these are students just as young as you, maybe younger than you, because here there's a girl named Hiranya Rajani. She's just 7 years old and she learned coding with us, and then she had designed a sign language app which she used to communicate with her brother who could not speak or could not hear. Similarly, Garvit created an app for eye checkup because he had a lot of eye problems due to which he was missing his studies, missing his classes. So once he learned coding with us, he designed an eye checkup app. Similarly, Mei was 9 years old, has designed an anti-bullying app because she was bullied a lot in her school. So you see, once you learn coding, you will just be creators of technology and not consumers of technology. So we at White Hat Junior want to teach you coding so that you can use technology to create something of your own, right? Because what we do right now is we are just consuming technology, be it staying connected over WhatsApp with our friends, be it watching videos on YouTube, okay? But we want to learn technology and we want to make our own games, right? Do you all want to make your own games? Today you saw, right, how you could make your own color changing application, correct? Similarly, once you have learned all the facets of coding, you can make things on your own, be it a game, be it an application, you can make anything. And also coding helps you increase your creativity skills, your logical reasoning skills, your abstract thinking, and it helps you to become a winner. You know how it helps you to become a winner? Because it teaches you the art of persistence, right? Because in coding, codes are tough, but there is no solution. You have to find your own solution, and that is how you learn the art of persistence. You learn how to problem solve. All right, so we look forward to such more and more sessions in the future, and we are going to soon start it in your school as well, so that we have all of you lovely children creating from technology. Are you excited? Your teachers will tell you more about in detail when the time is right, okay? As of now, today we enjoyed having all of you here and doing the activity. We hope to meet you soon. Thank you so much, Litya. Thank you so much, Gosek, Valian. Thank you so much for your lovely, lovely feedback. Thank you so much, Durai sir, Durga ma'am, and Tyagarajan sir. Thank you so much for all the help, assistance, and your patience, and for joining in today. Thank you, Rifat ma'am, for joining in. As usual, we had a lovely time with you. I always have a very lovely time with you, hosting the activity session. Okay, thank you children for joining in. Ganishka saying she enjoyed every moment. Thank you, excellent class. All right, thank you so much children. Thank you so much for all the lovely feedback.
We will meet tomorrow, ma'am.
Sure. We will meet tomorrow with a higher grade, with a higher activity level. Yes, but children, we will again meet.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for
Thank you so much, Durga ma'am. Thank you so much, Tyagarajan sir. We'll again meet in the future, and we will keep on doing coding. All right. Right now, stay indoors, practice coding, and stay safe. Okay. Bye. Thank you so much for joining in. Bye, children. Thank you so much for all the lovely feedback. It really motivates us. Thank you, Shrita. She's given a heart. Thank you so much. We really love you, lovely children of Mount Litra. Thank you so much.